Hello viewers, if your computer print screen option is not working, then you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to fix print screen feature is not working in a PC or laptop with step by step. Here are some solutions. The first step what you have to do is you have to press print screen. Okay, press the print screen from the keyboard. After, right click and type MS Paint to open the Paint program. Just Ctrl V. Okay, in my case, my print screen feature is working right. This is the first step, is working or not. Okay, the second step is that sometimes you have to use with combinations of these buttons. Okay, sometimes you may be use Windows plus Shift of S. Okay, according to your brand of the laptop or computer. Sometimes this may use in Alt plus print screen according to your computer or Windows print screen. Okay, try with these shortcuts and check your print screens worked or not. And it still keeps remain the problem same, then after follow this step 3, enable print screen sharing. Okay, press Windows plus I from the keyboard, type here ease of access keyboard sharing. That scroll down the keyboard. Okay, here, then scroll down, you can find print screen shortcut. Now step 4 is that restart Windows Explorer. You have to press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the text manager, or you can right click on the taskbar and go to the text manager directly. And here you can find out Windows Explorer. Just right click and restart. Hello. Okay, after restarting, check your problem fixed or not. Okay, but after you have to follow the next step, that update the keyboard driver. Okay, press start menu on the keyboard and type device manager and click OK. And here you have to go to the keyboards. From the K, here is keyboards, and just right click and you have to update the driver from the okay. While updating driver, you must connect with the internet, or you can search to update the drivers on Windows also. And after, restart PC. Okay, and check your problem fixed or not. Okay guys, if problem keeps remain, after right okay, restart menu, type CMD, right click and on this administrator, click yes for the permission, type here accept C, this backslash scan now, enter. This will automatically scan all the system's files of your computer and fix the error there is. Okay, after the problem keeps remain, then you can go to the system restore. Well friend, if you do not know how to restore the system file in the PC, then I have given link in the description box. Let's go to that video and try from that restore system. Okay, and hence you can fix the problem very easily. Okay guys, if your problem fixed, let me know in the comment box, then follow, share, comment. Thanks.